universe, what I will be talking about today is the universe within us, inside of us.
Exactly.
What we see inside of us, that is outside of us.
Mm.
So then I will be dealing in a short manner. It will not be a complicated one, a simple one. Everyone will be understanding. Basically, you will be enjoying a lot.
Yeah, yeah. Sure. Hey everyone, outstanding welcome to our YouTube channel English Hub by Lakshmi. Today I want to introduce an interesting, amazing and knowledgeable person, Santosh. Yeah, please, could you please introduce about yourself, Santosh?
Thank you. Thanks a lot to our program organizer, a great host, that is Mrs. Lakshmi. So thank you for inviting me. So it gives me immense pleasure to get invited for your channel.
Yeah.
So
Thank you so much. Yeah. At the same time, thank you so much. Thanks a bunch for be a part of in my YouTube channel. And I want to introduce myself also. My name is Lakshmi, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. And professionally, I'm an English teacher. Yeah, this is all about me. Yeah, thank you. Today our topic is, we are going to discuss on the topic, what is the power of, a universe made up of. Yeah, and yeah, please, Santosh, carry on.
So thank you, Lakshmiji. Before that, before my topic, I want to introduce myself. Myself, Santosh Oram, and I'm from the state of Odisha, from India. And I'm an BSc graduate. But basically, what interests me is that the basic educations, the fundamental educations. I totally focus on the education of these matters, not about the academic education. Academic education is good, but not so far good to intact in for our life, right? So the topic I want to speak as the host of this channel already said that I want to discuss about the power of universe. So you can imagine, means you all know about the word universe. Yeah, in our universe, there are 8 planets. Among them is also one, and there is just lots of infinite stars and suns and all that. But I'm not. I will be not talking all about that. You all have read in your school days or in your college days, but I will be talking something beyond that, right? So I will be starting my the topic regarding the power of universe by a statement like this: the power of universe is inside of you.
Yeah, exactly.
See inside of you, you can put that in reality to be truth in outside.
Yeah.
If you don't believe yourself, then how can you believe outside of yourself, right? So it's the main the natural power God has given us. So we need to understand who we are, what I am, right? So if we look out our world, the people all around us, the people are suffering from lots of tensions, lot of stress levels, lots of unhappiness, lots of fightings and all that. Everything is control of us. We can control everything, but people are not trying to just study what are within us, what is there within us. They are just looking working outside why that person said to me like that. I don't like him, means he is enemy to me or she is enemy to me, like this. Means all the worlds are just working us according to the enmity level.
Yeah.
We can talk about India is being enmity of Pakistan and Pakistan being enmity of India. Likewise, all nations are fighting with each other. All nations are just conquering. I'm the best, and he's the less best, and like that. If we talk about the persons, if we talk about the persons in this world, people are generally working, means living in the competition level. If I don't compete with him, I cannot get succeed. I need to be first. I need to just make him last. That's not the matter. This all are illusions. This all are illusions. If I in in some other part, I will be sharing much more about that. But today, in my first interaction with you, Lakshmi ma'am, I will be interacting you so that everyone get understand what is the power of the universe. So I have already prepared into this, so that you can understand and you will be loving your life very much as I do. You know, I never get stressed. I nowadays I never get angry. I'm enjoying my life and everything God has given us, which I have, which I can see in my naked eyes, or which I can't see. I'm just blessing it. I'm just thankful it. I'm just enjoying every bit of my life, and that's what I'm just yeah, getting blessed to have such beautiful people in my life, like our great host, that is Lakshmi ji. So the first statement I want to put, that what is the power of universe? The first thing we need to know, the world is definitely is need of this, the power of unity. The world is need of this, the unity. The word itself is a very vast explanation.
Yeah.
It's not just a word. It's not just a word. It's a great depth meaning. If you go into it, it has very depth into it. The power of unity. So I want to just define it. What is the power of unity into the phrase I have already prepared for this? What is meant by unity? We all know that means when people is get together, that is unity. If everyone work in a one manner, that is unity. But I will be explaining it in a different way, right? So the word unity is a very depth meaning. It means we are each other harvest. Means we people, we individual are nothing. We need someone, to be happy. You alone itself can't be happy. You need someone to be happy. You need someone to be angry. You need someone to be collaborate with each other, to balance each other. And hope our host is enjoying so much what I'm saying. So we are each other harvest. Harvest, we know in our the farmers are putting crops and all that. There is when the crops are ripe, the farmer used to harvest that one. So harvest is the win-win situation, the good situation for the farmer itself and for we the normal people also. Without we can't live, right? So we should respect farmer too, not to fight with them. Those are fighting, arguing with us and all that. So we the peoples, we need to help each other. If the people is in distress or in tension, if the people is fighting with me, we should listen to him. We should accept him. Because if we put into his place, then we can feel what will be the situation, what is the situation he's facing, right? So if we understand his problem, if we listen to him, definitely he will be accepting what you are listening to him. So why are you getting angry with him? He's a very nice guy. I should with him, right? We are each other's harvest. That's the power of unity. Again, we are each other's business. That means we people know what is business. Business means to sell and buy. No, the business word also has a very depth meaning, right? What is it? Business means to service, to give service. That is a business. Business has very expand meaning, very vast meaning. Means we love each other. That is the business. We care for each other. That is the business. Mother loves his children or her children. That is the business of the mother. Father loves his or her children. That is his business. We are doing our work, day-to-day work, or going to job, or doing our traditional business. That is our business, right? So we are incomplete with each other. So we definitely need each other. So everyone should be understanding each other. Why? I need to ask one question, Mr. Lakshmiji. If we talk about strangers, we don't know anyone. Means while we are going in a street, we met one of the strangers, right? If he gets a sudden accident, means a lot of bloods are coming from his body. Means after seeing him, we get so much of tensed.
Exactly.
We of emotions. Oh my God, what happened to him? Should I help him? Means he is such in trouble. Can you imagine what is that? Means if we talk in a normal way, he is stranger to me. We don't have any blood relation. But why we are connected to each other? If we are not connected to each other, then there shouldn't be any feeling for him or her, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But they reach, we are connected to each other.
Yeah.
We are connected to each other, right? That's the power of universe. In some other part, I will be expanding more detailing into this, right? But right now, I'm saying we are each other business. We should care for each other, either his own relation or a stranger, right? We are in this world, right? We came here nakedly, alone, and we will go out of the world alone. So why so much of tension? Why so much of fighting? Love each other, pure love. I will expand it in different part, right? Then we are each other's magnitude. And what is that magnitude, right? Magnitude means a serious, a unconditional relations to each other. Unconditional. That means, you know, people used to fight with a person. No, he's my enemy. I don't want to talk to him. You know, people used to take the enmity from one day to let's say 1 month or 1 year, or for a lifetime. But when he or she realized, no, I was wrong. I was wrong. So likewise, parents also, means are angry with the children's. If you will not obey me, then I will not. Then children are also, getting angry with the parents. No, I know those things. My parents don't know those things, and like this. But somehow, when they realize, the time will come that they will realize, no, I was wrong.
Exactly.
That's right. Either they don't know the present situation very well, but according to the experience they are elder than us. They have lived their lives more than us, so they know better. So we are each other magnitudes. We should respect that. We should give our time to understand. And how you will understand the power of universe, I will be saying this at the last of our conversation. Then we are each other's bond. That's what I said. Bond means relation, like brothers and sisters. In Hindu mythology, the love between brothers and sisters is celebrated in the festivals like Rakhi. If brother if sister tie a Rakhi to her brother's hand, then he's her brother, or she's her sister, right? But what happens if she doesn't put Rakhi to her brother's hand? So she doesn't mean here he's her brother or what? No, that is not. We are related to each other. That's the mythology.
Exactly.
The thread is not eternal. Just that you are his brother or her sister, right?
Yeah.
We have internal relation. We have internal bonding to each other, right?
Yeah, sure.
It means that we are all responsible for nurturing each other.
Yeah.
Definitely,
Exactly.
so that's where we have life. We don't know what's the afterlife is all about, but we are in this human body. God has all the system. If I define it, what is all about? Our children means I'm unmarried. I'm bachelor, but soon I will be married. But I want to ask, children's used to play lots of video games. Video games. So what is all this life all about? Means people are so tense. How I will be surviving, how I will be living. I have so less of money. How I will living my life, and what people will say. They are focusing to the outer world. They are not focusing within. If you go within, then everything is possible.
Yeah.
That's what I'm loving my life. That's what I'm saying. What's the matter outside that doesn't care? If parents shout at me, I stay still. I'm just observing. The greatest gift God has given is the free choice. The greatest gift God has given us is to observe, just be still, calm, and observe everything what you have to answer, everything what you have to do, you will be knowing very much, right? We should nurture each other, right?
Yeah.
So life is just like a game, video game.
Exactly.
If you play in a right manner, you know you will win. If you play in a wrong manner, you will
Definitely
lose.
will.
But in the power of universe, there is not losing. You will not lose. That is a win-win situation.
Yeah.
If you know, you will win. If you don't know, you will learn.
Yeah.
Then move, right? People in their mythology putting what is right and what is wrong. That
Yeah.
is wrong. In universe, there is only one thing: what works and what doesn't work. There is not right and wrong.
Yeah.
There is not win and lose. There is always possible, right? So the second power I want to discuss about the power of universe is the power of spoken words. What you say, what you say means I want to speak what we human used to speak means oh I will not means I can't do. This is not for me. Means I'm very poor. Then what he's saying, the person will be becoming that only. If the person is saying I'm poor, then he's poor from his mentality.
Exactly.
Then he will not getting so much of money. The richest mindset. If he's saying no, I can't be like you. You are such a big person. You are a richest person. So he will because he's saying that he's believing into this. If maybe what externally, what outside I'm seeing, I don't have anything. What we people see in our eyes, that doesn't mean anything. If I believe in me, I believe in my words. Yes, I am a richest person. I'm a greater person, and I have everything. I'm just feeling gratitude, thanking God for everything. What you have, don't have.
Exactly.
Then definitely you will be making one day, right? So what's the power of the spoken word? It's a small phrase I have prepared for it. The first law is that the first law of the universe is that you can be, do, and have. Means what you believe negatively or positively. That doesn't matter. What can be? If you believe I am not enough, then you are not enough.
Exactly.
If you believe you are more than enough, then you are more than enough. Be what you say, right? By thinking what you want to be, and by just one workout. Have do means I don't have so much of money, but I'm acting like that I have so much of money.
Yeah. Exactly.
Then definitely you will get the action. You will definitely have one day lots of money. The power of spoken words is believe that you have, you can, and definitely. And I believe for you, Lakshmiji, that one day you will be a very, natural and one of the, nicest anchor the world will ever know. That's what I believe. I feel it in her, right?
Thank you.
And you have to believe that. If once believe from you, then you have to believe that. That's
Exactly.
not the lie, right?
Yeah.
So the second law of the universe is that you attract what you imagine.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Sure.
That means if 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 you have enmity, means people are not loving you. If you're taking so much attention, why people are not loving me? Am I bad or he or she is bad? Then definitely the same situation will come into your life again and again, again and again, again and because you're attracting that.
Yeah. Exactly.
Instead of that, if you say every people are so loving, so caring, every people are caring to me, either you can't see that, but you are experiencing that. Do, be, and have. Then definitely one day people, everyone will be loving you. Everyone will be caring for you.
Yeah.
Me
Sure.
too. 2 years before, I was not that type of person.
Okay.
Right? After, I was searching for the answers. Plus, what is the life all about?
Yeah.
I'm not a religious type of person, or I'm not a philosophy type of person, but I believe in the absolute truth. And what is that? In some other part, I will be more discussing all about that. Right? Second law is that you attract what you imagine. So why to attract negativity? Because negativity is not there. What works is there, and what doesn't work is there. So
Yeah.
which works? You should attract that. I will be having a good family. You will attract that. You have to believe in that. I will one day I will be a great anchor. All the world, all the people in the world will be knowing me, and that's for true. And one day you will be. Lakshmi ji. I believe that. You have to believe that, right? And definitely you have a very huge. You're creating a huge fan following. So one word I want to discuss: we are not here to discover life.
Yeah.
We not here to discover life. We are here to create life. Everything what is working around us or what is not working around us, we are creating. And we people are saying, why this means bad things happening into my life? That's God has not made to that. You are creating. That's
Yeah.
what telling you us. Be still, be calm, be who you are, and go within. Every answers you will get in.
Exactly.
Right? The third point of the power of universe is the power of submission,
Oh,
right?
correct.
If I say the three persons you have to submit. The first one is first you have to submit to your own self,
Yeah.
right? If you are saying one day I will be a very richest man of the world, so you have to submit it to your own words. You have to believe your own words. If you
Yeah.
say one thing and believe different thing, then it will not work.
Will not cover cut. Yeah.
One day I will be a richest man, but you're sleeping and sleeping and sleeping doesn't do any kind of work because you don't believe. Then there is not any matching into this. You have to believe what you say. You have to submit into it. The first submission should be to your own self,
Yeah.
right? Second submission should be to your parents. And I want to add this one because nowadays we are living in our 21st century, and in this present generation, the children used to means don't obey their parents. They don't know anything. We are living in our information technology generation, and our parents, they don't have that time when they
Yeah.
live, but they are forgetting they are elder than us. Either they know present education, they don't know, but within, if we talk about life, the life education, they know better than us,
Yeah.
right? If our parents don't know, then we should cooperate that we can understand each one, and we should just make realize what works and what doesn't work. That doesn't mean one is wrong. No, if no one is wrong, but the situation is we are unable to make us understand.
Yeah.
One more thing, as you are a teacher, Lakshmi ji, you know, every yeah, I want to add this one. We are not here to learn.
Exactly.
Real truth, because everything is systematic prepared.
Yeah.
Everything is, if we work into that, then that will work. If we don't work into that, it will not work.
Yeah.
So we are here to remember, not to learn. It's
Yeah.
already
Remember.
why are people fighting? Why we are, there's lots of violation going on in our world because people are not remembering who they are. People are not going within them. If they understand, everything will be okay. I believe one day there is my huge dream to come into reality, and it is already there. The one day I will be bringing the peace, joy, and happiness, the power God has given within us. We should know each other.
Exactly.
Everyone, brothers and sisters. In terms, God's is our parents. So
Yeah.
we are and daughters of our God. We the people in our human mythology, we are saying he is my brother-in-law, she is my sister-in-law, and she is my big mother, or he is my small mother, like that. We gave different names to different relationships, but we talk spiritually. If we talk within, then what we feel, everyone are brothers and sisters. We know them, we don't know them, but we have we have emotion for each other,
Yeah,
right?
sure, sure.
So the power of submission should be to within yourself first, the second to your parents, and third to your mentor. And who is your mentor? Mentor, that doesn't mean mentor. If I say in simple words, it is a teacher, the life's teacher, not school's teacher. School's teacher educate you regarding these books, the textbooks, all that, but not regarding life. Your academic education will teach you how to work as according to your the books you read, right? Is there any teacher in your school academy or in your college academy, those who are teaching how to deal with your life? Is there any subject? Is there any subject in school or in college?
No subject.
Very soon there is a huge dream for mine that I will be having my universities. Those are dealing with the basic and fundamental education of life. If you get the education of this, then no one can stop you because the world is yours.
Exactly.
Right? Submission is not about authority. I'm your boss, you should submit me, you are my employee or employer, you should do this or do that. No. Submission is not about authority. It is all about relationship, love, and respect.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Love unconditionally. If love comes within, then respect comes within, and relationship all are bounded with each other. So this made prepared from the power of universe. The topic itself is a very vast one. So I can't talk a very vast one in a single interview or a single interaction. So I will be having a part wise in a different talks in some other days. But this is once again, I'm just concluding it. I'm summarizing it. The power of universe. The first one I said, the power of universe is inside of you. The first point I discussed the power of unity. Unity with each other within of us.
Exactly.
The power of spoken word. What you say, you have to believe that and work into that. Definitely you will be getting that. Right? And third is that the power of submission. The power of submission, the first you have to submit yourself on. The second is your parents. Third is your mentor who is successful in his life in terms of life.
Yeah.
And definitely external what we are seeing, lots of money, everything will be into your captures, right? So this is all about. So over to our great host, none other than Mrs. Lakshmi.
Yeah, Santosh, really, it's like a one man battle show. Thank you, really. Like you spoke a lot and like the power of universe, and like I didn't no, I have no idea how to like no this type of topics. And thank you so much. And like it was a fabulous confabulation, definitely within us. Definitely, I strongly believe that whatever you have thoughts on that, like the power of universe and what we are, and just as a human being, we have to humanity is important, and we have to know where we are and what we are and why we are here on this earth. We have to know this thing, and whatever you mentioned, I think all within these words common within whatever you said within like in your point. We have to know what we are and where we are, why we are here. What you like, we have to learn our life lessons. This is like what you can power of universe within us. We have to get to know everything. And thank you so much for be a part of in my YouTube channel again and again. And it's definitely it will go some different level. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I hope you love our conversation. Please like, share, comment, and do subscribe. And if I want to get your motivation, and hit the bell button for more amazing content like this. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Definitely, I want to add to all the viewers who are seeing, who are just getting touched with this channel of Lakshmi Hub. So definitely, you should just explore into this channel, and definitely you will be knowing very much how to just get succeed in your life and how to expand your knowledge, your mind, and your soul. And definitely, Lakshmi ji is a very humble and very loving person, and that loving will be coming into your life. So definitely you should join her. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Santosh. It's very kind of you. Thank you so much, and thank you for your valuable time also. And after a long time, we got the chance, and you made it you rocked it, you nailed it. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. Keep smiling. Have a great day to you. Yeah, everyone. Have a great day, everyone. Keep smiling, everyone. All the best for everyone. Yeah. Thank you, Santosh. Bye bye. Yeah, bye bye. Take care.